Trees are magnificent living things. However, they do not always thrive independently. Many plants, from small wildflowers along the forest floor to grand towering trees, could not survive without mycorrhizae, which are fungi in the soil. Mycorrhizal fungi colonize a host plant's roots by connecting mycelia, that is, underground fungal branches, to the roots. Fungi cannot photosynthesize and thus absorb photosynthetic sugars through the plant's roots. The fungi, in return, are beneficial to the tree because the large surface area of the far-stretching mycelia yields a high absorptive capacity for water and minerals like phosphorus. Fungi and photosynthetic plants have shared a mutualistic relationship for a very, very long time. These relationships are never monogamous, however. Most plants have a relationship with multiple fungi, and most fungi attach their mycelia to multiple plants, creating a vast interconnected network. All is not peaceful, however. Some plants have ditched their photosynthetic responsibilities and instead evolved to leach not only soil nutrients from the fungi, like other plants, but also the photosynthetic products of sucrose and glucose that the fungi have received from plant hosts. These plants that are parasites on fungi are called mycoheterotrophs. Mycoheterotrophs have no chlorophyll and obtain almost all of their nutrients from mycorrhizal fungi and their photosynthetic hosts. One such mycoheterotroph is the ghost plant. The ghost plant lives in damp, dark places on the forest floor and is common throughout the Northeast and the United States. It is a small, skinny plant often mistaken for a mushroom. It is usually smaller than 6 inches tall, pale white, and adorned with tiny leaves and a large bell-shaped flower that is sometimes pink. The ghost plant parasitizes trees through fungi, receiving photosynthetic products from the host plant and phosphorus and water from the fungi. The tree is losing extra nutrients to this parasite without receiving any benefit, but cannot select against the parasite without also selecting against its critical phosphorus and water provider, the fungi. The fungi is providing phosphorus and water to the ghost plant, but is not receiving photosynthetic products in return. Research has shown that these parasitic plants likely evolved from photosynthetic plants. The exact mechanism that caused this switch from mutualism to mycoheterotrophy is unclear. This complex relationship is just one element of the vast ecological system of the forest. Think of the betrayal and exploitation going on all around you the next time you stumble upon a ghost plant.